Don't throw out stale bread. Unlock secret fungi for unbelievable soil. Have you been throwing away stale bread at home? Stop right there, because that old bread can turn into a powerful secret for your garden. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing an unbelievable soil boosting trick using stale bread and one simple homemade ingredient: sugar. Here's how to use it. Break stale bread into small pieces. Soak it in 1 liter of plain water. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar and mix well. Let it soak for 1 to 2 hours. After soaking, pour the mixture into the soil near the roots, not on the leaves. You can also add it to compost for faster decomposition. Within a few days, your soil becomes more alive, holds moisture better, and plants start growing greener and stronger. So next time you see stale bread, don't throw it away.